line, two ways to measure its tilt: the ratio, rise over run, our slope, and the angle it makes with the x-axis, the protractor's way. Two languages, one tilt. Today, the last bridge of our story, one formula, three symbols. Here is the bridge. If a non-vertical line makes an angle theta with the positive x-axis, measured anticlockwise, then its gradient is m equals tangent of theta. The angle of inclination runs from 0 up to, but not including, 180 degrees, one angle per line, and never 90. That would be the vertical, whose gradient is undefined. A horizontal line, the card anchors it directly. Theta is 0, and its slope, we know, is 0. And now, why? Our second proof. At the crossing, build the right triangle, run a along the axis, rise b up to the line. First name, the gradient, rise over run, b over a. Second name, from right triangle trigonometry, known territory, the tangent of theta is opposite over adjacent, b over a again. Same fraction, two names, so m equals tangent of theta. The card adds a remark. For an obtuse angle of inclination, the gradient is negative. The full justification, the tangent beyond acute angles, 0 included, lives in the trigonometry chapter, and there this same formula holds across the whole range. Today, we proved the heart of it, the acute case. Remember the ramps? The 45-degree ramp, tangent of 45 degrees is 1, slope 1 exactly as we drew it. And the slope 2 ramp, the angle whose tangent is exactly 2 measures, about 63 degrees. Those pins were the theorem all along. Look how far the road goes. A cat on a chair, a compass rose, square C4, the coordinate plane, a line wearing its equation. We replaced positions with numbers, and today even the angle speaks the slope's language. Let's remember, theta, measured from the positive x-axis anti-clockwise. M equals tangent of theta for non-vertical lines. The principal angle from 0 to 180, never 90. And the proof's heart, the acute case, two names for b over a, the rest rides on the trigonometry chapter. The coordinate geometry story, complete.